Hey friends, so I'm going to read a story called Why Does It Thunder and Lightning? It's called a Just Ask book, and this was actually created by Weekly Reader. Now, the parents know about Weekly Reader. We don't do Weekly Reader much anymore, but this book is by Chris Arvedis and Carol Palmer, and it was illustrated by James Buckley. Okay. What a storm! The lightning lights up the sky. The thunder can be heard all around. I wonder, what makes lightning and thunder? Over here, the mama raccoon is asking, are you scared? Me? I bet Raccoon knows. I'll go ask her. Hi, my friend. Can you tell me what makes lightning and thunder? Do you know? I don't know. Christopher, you ask the hardest questions. Let's start with lightning. It is caused by electricity. We can't see electricity, but we can use these magnets to learn about it. These are magnets right here. Okay. Look at the magnets. Each one has a positive side and a negative side. When we put these magnets next to each other, the magnets come together. That's because the plus side of one magnet attracts the negative side of the other. Opposites attract. Look, they're moving together. Let's turn one of the magnets around. When we use the other end, the two magnets push apart. That is because the sides of the magnets with the same sign do not attract. They do not join together. They repel or push apart. Okay? And so the friends over here are saying, watch it. Look out. Amazing. Because when they have the two sides that are the same, they're going to push apart like that. Now that you know a little about positive and negative, let's see what they have to do with electricity. You and Crow can go up and look at the storm cloud. Let's go. Look at the cloud. A cloud is made up of many, many drops of water. When the drops get big and heavy, they fall toward the earth as rain. Some of the drops have a positive charge of electricity, and some of them have a negative charge. Those drops are negative. Look inside the cloud. When a group of drops with positive charge comes near a group with a negative charge, a large electrical spark is caused. Then we see a flash of lightning jump between the two groups of drops. It's just like the magnets. Opposites attract. Wow, that was some flash. The same thing can happen between two different clouds that come near each other. If a group of drops in one cloud has a positive charge and a group in the other cloud has a negative charge, lightning can jump between the clouds. Of course. Did you hear that? Sometimes lightning jumps from a storm cloud to the ground. The earth and a group of drops in the cloud attract each other because they have opposite charges. Lightning is powerful and at times very dangerous. Look, it hit that tree and now the tree is burning. Where there's smoke, there's fire. And just a few weeks ago, maybe it was last week, it's hard to remember, we had lightning that struck a building at the university, the music building, and it caused a fire on the roof, and the firefighters had to go put it out. So lightning can cause a fire. That's why they ask us to be inside, because we're safer inside than we are outside when it's lightning. Now, I know about lightning, but what about thunder? All that booming and crackling scares me. It frightens me. Thunder is just a lot of noise. It's nothing to be afraid of, but Raccoon can explain that better than I can. That was very loud. Air is made up of tiny parts called molecules. Say, molecules. When lightning flashes, it gives off a lot of heat. The heat makes the molecules start to move and bounce. Molecules. So, when the lightning flashes, it makes the molecules bounce around the lightning. Soon the heated molecules bump into molecules of cold air and they make a big air wave. This wave is the sound of thunder we hear after we see a flash of lightning. So thunder is just a lot of harmless noise. It's harmless. I know. Let's review what we know. The drops of water in a cloud can have a positive or a negative charge. When two opposite charges come near each other, a large spark of energy happens and we see a flash of lightning. Remember, opposites attract. Here's the positive up here, here's the negative down here, and they attract, causing the lightning. As lightning heats the air, the molecules bounce together and make a great air wave, the sound of thunder. And it's harmless. Well, now I know what makes lightning and thunder. We do too. Me too. So, we're going to see if we hear any lightning or thunder in our rain today. Have a good day, guys.